Hi guys, welcome to Kodemine. Carry here. So today in this video we are going to talk about how can we install Kdenlive software into our operating system. So you guys can see now I'm using Ubuntu operating system and now I'm going to install Kdenlive. So what you need to do, just go into the Ubuntu software right from your left side and click on the search bar and write down the Kdenlive. So the guys who are not familiar with the Kdenlive, I just want to tell you guys, it is a editing software, right? For the basic editing or the professional tutorial kind of things you can make easily from Kdenlive, right? And here is install button. You guys can click on here. This is just one thing you need to do, and automatically your software will be installed into your system, right? And after installation you guys need to click on this KD, and you guys can simply search from here, and I have already installed this software and double click on that, and automatically software will appear in front of you within a second. Alright, so this is a very beautiful free of course software. If you guys have any query, any question regarding this software, please comment into the comment box. And I just want the guys who still not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment about the video, and do subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family as well. Time to time we come up with that advanced level of technical tutorials, right, at free of cost, and we have very hard working team. So hope you guys will subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day.